Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see what kind of apps or websites use your Instagram data. So basically these are those websites that you used by signing in with Instagram. So first of all, go to settings, then go to security, and here at the second section, apps and websites. You can tap on it and you will see all the active or expired or removed apps and websites that you used with your Instagram. As you can see right now, I have 0 for all of them because this is not my main Instagram, so I did not use this one for such things. But for you, you will see here all your relevant data. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you next one.